Hey, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another brand new video on my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a great day as always, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing and reviewing a mic known as the Fifine K670, which is $48 US but is competing with the sound quality of the $90 Blue Yeti. So thank you Fifine for sending this out for me to review, and let's get into the unboxing. If you guys haven't already, be sure to check out the previous video, which was the $35 Fifine mic, the K669B, if you guys want a lower budget. But if you want to crush it on YouTube, you want to get the highest quality product as you can for the best price, and I think this here is the mic. So starting off the unboxing, the product packaging is actually really nice. It's a minimalistic design that's just a white box with the Fifine technology logo on the top, and that's all. And they've really given thought to the packaging by throwing in some soft material for protection. The first thing inside the box is a card that gives us a little bit of information about their website and thanking us for the purchase. And then we get the user guide. Now this actually has a ton of information about this product, like what's included, how to set it all up, and that good stuff, but we don't need that for now. I'll talk about it later. So the next thing that we have is a little metal disc, and this is the base of the stand, so this is what's going to hold up your mic. Now there is good weight to it, and I believe it is made out of metal. The next thing that we have is actually my favorite part of this mic, and that is the USB cable. That may sound weird, but I really love the convenience of having a detachable cable. It is USB-A to some other type USB, which is unique, so it's not your cable that you're going to be using for your phone charging, which is the USB-A to USB-C cable. The next thing that we get inside the box is the tower for the mic stand, and I'll get more in depth into that later, so for now let's put it aside. And like all other components of this mic, it has really good weight and sturdiness. I also got an extra mount to attach the mic to another arm or anything like that. And finally we have the mic itself, and picking it out of the box, it just feels amazing, guys. Just from the weight you can feel the quality of the mic. And by the way guys, this whole video review is recorded using the Fifine K670, so throughout the whole video you are pretty much getting a sound test. So let's begin the setup of this mic and get into the actual review. Okay, so the first thing that I want to share with you guys is the user guide, but I don't want to talk about everything inside here because I'm going to show you how to do it. But the thing that I do want to share is the warranty. The warranty is actually 2 years, and all you have to do is just go online and register your product, and it's super convenient to know that there is warranty and the fact that it's 2 years long. Now the next part is the setup of this mic, and as you saw, it comes in different parts and you have to assemble it yourself. But don't worry, it is a super simple process and I will be guiding you along the way. So the first thing you gotta do is build up the base. So take the disc that we got in the unboxing and twist it with the tower. And as you can see that I'm doing it right now, and it's coming into place like this. And once you have everything in together, you're like, maybe it's too tall for you, maybe you want it to be a little shorter, and you were hoping that it's adjustable. And all you have to do is, as you can see, there are 3 different sections to the tower, which are 3 different parts, and it's simply another twist away from adjusting the height. So you can take out these parts like I'm doing right here and make it taller or shorter. Well, obviously 3 pieces is the max height you can go, and always you can go down to a height of 1 piece. The next thing that we have here is the extra mount that I talked about, and I'm not going to demonstrate it because for someone who just wants to use the mic stand provided, the extra mount is unnecessary. And if you do want to use the extra mount, once again, it's just another twist away from being set up. And I almost forgot, we have a boom arm adapter as well, so you can use that if you have a boom arm. And yeah, so you pretty much get an extra pivot mount and a boom arm adapter. Now let's take a look at the USB cable that I claimed was my favorite part of this mic. So the cable comes nicely bundled with this Velcro strap, and one huge feature of this USB cable is that it is really thick, and that allows us to have less resistance for audio pickup. So now that we already have the base and the tower connected together, that's one piece. And now we have to connect it with the microphone, and essentially we have to do the twist process again and go ahead and put it together and twist it, and that is all. Once again, no screws, none of that, no clips, just twisting, and you are done. The actual connectors are also silver plated and have a good aluminum casing around it. So the cable just connects right under the microphone, as you can see, and with the cable being 6.6 feet, for most setups it should be long enough. But if needed, you can always get a longer cable, and that is the huge advantage that we have with this mic. and that is that we can go ahead and upgrade our USB cable. For example, if we need it to be longer, or even if it breaks, doesn't matter, we can always upgrade it. So 10 out of 10 for long lifespan. And it is pretty much plug and play from here, guys. And now that you have the USB cable going from your mic to your computer, it's just a matter of going on Audacity and recording a fire YouTube video or streaming on Twitch. So the reason why I think this microphone is the bang for your buck is because this is half the price of the Blue Yeti, and it's still cheaper than the Blue Snowball while giving you the audio quality of a Blue Yeti. And on top of that, it's really flexible, so if you are above or below the microphone, you can still rotate it so it will match your audio projection level. Another cool feature is that there is a headphone jack behind the microphone, so you can listen to yourself while recording, and that is really useful if you're trying to record music or if you're trying to run a podcast. Another cool feature is the volume knob that's sitting in front of the microphone that is used to control how much of the audio is getting picked up by the mic, and I think the sweet spot is somewhere in the middle. I really think that this is the ideal microphone for someone who is serious on starting YouTube or Twitch streaming, because it is a cardioid mic, meaning that it only picks up audio in front of it, and really that's all that you need. The microphone is also not overly priced or underpriced where it's cheap and the audio is lacking. That's why I award this mic as the best bang for your buck. So that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy it, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And this is Tech Alpha signing out with today's video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
Your Beat Factory.